Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone to our lesson for today. For the first intermediate grade, our subject, as you know, is the English language. For the second semester of this year, our lesson is Unit 2. We have listening, pronunciation, and also we have conversation from the book Super Goal 2. This presentation is prepared by Nusayba Madkhali. Thank you very much, teacher Nusayba. And it will be presented by me, Sultan Shahrani. So at first, I want to welcome all of you. I'm really happy to be with you. I hope I see you every lesson. And the second thing is I want to make sure that you are ready to begin our lesson. So, are you ready to begin? Are you ready to begin our lesson? Okay, let's go. Very nice. So we have some objectives. Our lesson objectives are very nice. In this lesson, you can, number 1, listen for specific details about people. Number 2, third person singular verb ending es. The adding of es to the verb. Okay. Talk about likes and dislikes about school life. Okay. At first, we have a warm-up. Okay. We have two students. Yes, two girls. They are talking to each other and the first one is saying, "What's your sister like?" What's your sister like? The second one, she is, what do you think? What can she say about her sister? What should we say, for example? Give me an example. What do you think? She is? Okay, she is a reader, for example. Excellent. So, you know, we have to put an adjective here. Very nice, beautiful, excellent. But we want an adjective. For example, I will give you an example. For example, let's say she is tall. She is short. Okay. She is active. She is lazy, for example. So what do you think? Give me another example. She is. Can you see the picture? She is reading a lot. So we can say she is very smart, isn't it? Very nice. So she is very smart. Excellent. So when we are talking, when we want to talk about someone, we have to use the adjective. Okay, the adjective. He is or she is very smart, very active. Excellent. Thank you very much. Beautiful. Okay, now let's go to the pronunciation. We will start with the pronunciation. Listen to the es endings of the words, then practice. Okay. Listen. Mr. Robinson teaches geography. Carrie watches TV every night. The description matches the photo. Fred uses the library all the time. So we have teaches, watches, matches, uses. How many syllables do we have? Can you tell me? Teaches. How many syllables? Can you tell me? Teach. Okay. Teaches. What do you think? T, the first one, and the second one, chiz. So we have 2 syllables, isn't it? Yes, very nice. It is 2. Excellent, Yazid. Teaches. So when we say the word without es, no es, we say teach. 1 syllable. But when we put es, it should be 2 syllables. Teaches. Okay, so it seems longer. Now it's longer with es. Excellent, very nice. So teaches, watches, matches, uses. We have a conversation now between Jim and Faris. Listen. Jim, what's your favorite subject? Faris, I like science. I think it's cool. I love the experiments. Jim, I prefer history. It's fascinating. What are your teachers like this year? Faris, they are okay, but I don't like the math teacher. He's very strict and he gives a lot of tests. How about you? Jim, I like Mr. Huston, the English teacher. So we have a new vocabulary here, cool. When I say something is cool, it means, what does it mean? Can you see it here? Great, very nice. So we can say, I think it's great. Yes, it is. Excellent, Yazid. I think it's great. Very nice. So this is the of the conversation. This is the same conversation you're ending. I want you to choose one of these. What does Jim say about Mr. Huston? Okay, so let's go back. Jim, I like Mr. Huston, the English teacher. What do you think the better one? His class are interesting. He organizes great activities. Or he speaks English in class. I learn a lot. Or he doesn't give a lot of homeworks. So what do you think? Which one is the best? It's up to you. Choose one of them. 1, 2, 3. What do you think is the suitable one? 1, 2, or 3? 2. He speaks English in class. I learn a lot. Very nice. So this is good. You know, when he speaks English in class the whole time, I learn a lot. Very nice. Some students, they say, number 3, we will go with number 3. He doesn't give a lot of homeworks. Yeah, some students, they say that. They like the teachers because they don't give a lot of homeworks. That's why. Very nice. So we have some questions about the conversation. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 questions. Number 1, what's Faris' favorite subject? What is it? Faris' favorite subject. And why? Okay, can you tell me? I'll go back, I want you to tell me. Faris' favorite subject. Okay, you can take a look. It's okay, it's okay. What is the favorite subject for Faris? Can you tell me? The favorite subject? Science. Very nice. Beautiful. Yes, it is. This one. I like science. Excellent. So why? Can you tell me why? Very good. Yes, it is science. Excellent. Why? It's cool. Very nice. Okay. What else? We have another reason. I think it's cool. Why it's cool? Why is it cool? What do you think? Faris, I like science. I think it's cool. I love the experiments. So this is the reason, the main reason he loves the experiments. Excellent. Yes, it is. The experiments. Do you know what does it mean, experiments? When you add one chemical to the other, this is an experiment. I'm not sure. Okay, question number 2. This is number 2. Does Jim like history, and why? Does Jim like history? Why? Let's go back. What do you think? Does Jim like history, and why? Does Jim like history? Yes, very nice, excellent. Excellent, Muhammad and Yazid, beautiful. Why? Can you tell me why? Why? What do you think? Why he likes history? It is fascinating. Excellent. It is fascinating. Beautiful. Excellent, Muhammad. That's right. Okay. Number 3. Does Faris like math teacher? Why not? Does Faris like the math teacher? Let's go back. No, very nice. Why not? Can you tell me why not? Okay, we said this is number 2. I have to write it. This is number 2. Okay, why? Okay, who wants to use the pen? Do you want to use the pen? Do you want to use the pen? I'll give you the pen. I want you to show me the answer, to underline it. Can you use the pen? Very nice. So Muhammad, I will give you the pen. Very nice. Yes, that's right. But I want you to underline it. Muhammad, here is the pen. You can do it. Excellent. Thank you, Muhammad, for helping me. Thank you very much. You have the pen now. Go ahead. Do it. He is very strict. Very nice. Excellent. Yes, it is. But I don't like. Yes, that's right. Exactly. Okay. Sorry, Muhammad. Can you write number 3? We forgot about the number. Can you write number 3? I gave you the pen. You have it. Number 3. Very nice. Excellent. Excellent. That's right. This is number 3. Beautiful. Okay. Let's go to number 4. Yes. Who is Jim's favorite teacher? Who is Jim's favorite teacher? Okay, who can do it this time? Who wants to do it? Okay, Amir, I'll give it to you. Sorry, let's go back. We have to go back. I will give you Amir, okay? This time, I'll give it to Amir. Here's the pen. Go ahead, Amir. You can do it. Underline it and write number 4. Who is the favorite teacher for Jim? Okay, who is the favorite teacher? The favorite teacher for Jim. Okay, excellent, Mr. Huston. Excellent. Can you write number 4? Can you do it? This is question number 4. So we have to write number. Excellent, that's right. Beautiful. Excellent, Amir. Yes, beautiful. So, who is Jim's favorite teacher? We said Mr. Huston. So, those are the answers. Number 1, what's Faris's favorite subject and why? We said that Faris' favorite subject is science. He loves the experiments. Number 2, does Jim like history and why? Yes, he does. He thinks it's fascinating. Number 3, does Faris like the math teacher? No, he doesn't. Why not? The teacher is very strict and he gives a lot of tests. Okay, you can write this one. This one is correct and also this one is correct. Number 4, who is Jim's favorite teacher? Okay, his favorite teacher is Mr. Huston. Who is Mr. Huston? The English teacher. He is the English teacher. Very nice, beautiful. So this is the summary of our lesson for today. We talked about the ES endings of the words, of the verbs. We added to the verbs. Today we talked about verbs. So without ES, no S, it's one syllable. Teach, teach, one syllable, okay? Watch, watch. But when we add ES, it will be 2 syllables. It becomes 2 syllables because it becomes longer, okay? So now here we have 5 letters, here's 7. So teaches, Can you hear it? Teaches. Okay. And this one, watches. Watches. What and chiz. What and chiz. So we have two syllables, but without es, it's just one syllable. Watch. Watch. Just one. Okay. So this is the end of our lesson for today. Maybe you have a question, you have something that you want to say. It's your time now. You have the time to ask. You are welcome, Muhammad. Thank you very much. Any question, anything? Okay. Thank you very much, all of you. You know, I'm really happy to be with you. I hope I see you every day, every lesson with me. Fascinating. Very nice, Yazid. Beautiful question. So, fascinating, it means great. Something amazing. For example, we say, this house is fascinating. This house is amazing. It's beautiful. It's modern, for example. Okay? So, fascinating, it means amazing. Is it okay, Yazid? Understood? Very nice. So, fascinating, it's the same as amazing. Very nice. So, thank you all. Thank you very much for being with me. Really, I'm happy to be with you. And really, I want to see you next time. I hope I see you next time. Goodbye, everyone.